Cell, the unit of life. Top 50. Multiple choice questions. 1. What is the basic structural and functional unit of all living organisms? A. Tissue. B. Organ. C. Cell. D. Molecule. Answer. C. Cell. 2. Which of the following is not a correct statement about cell theory? A. Schleiden and Schwann formulated the cell theory. B. Robert Brown discovered the cell. C. Virchow stated that new cells arise from pre-existing cells. D. All living organisms are made up of cells. Answer. B. Robert Brown discovered the nucleus, not the cell. 3. According to cell theory, new cells generate from A. Bacterial fermentation. B. Regeneration of old cells. C. Pre-existing cells. D. Abiotic materials. Answer. C. Pre-existing cells. 4. Which scientist first discovered cells in a piece of cork? A. Robert Hooke. B. Robert Brown. C. Matthias Schleiden. D. Theodore Schwann. Answer. A. Robert Hooke. 5. Which of the following statements is correct regarding new cells? A. New cells are formed by the regeneration of old cells. B. New cells arise from pre-existing cells. C. New cells are formed from the bacterial fermentation. D. New cells are formed by a process of spontaneous generation. Answer. B. New cells arise from pre-existing cells. 6. According to the cell theory proposed by Schleiden and Schwann, which of the following is true? A. All cells are totipotent. B. All cells arise from pre-existing cells. C. The cell is the basic unit of life. D. All cells contain genetic material. Answer. C. The cell is the basic unit of life. 7. Which of the following is not a function performed by an individual cell? A. Respiration. B. Reproduction. C. Transportation. D. Providing structural support to the entire body. Answer. D. Providing structural support to the entire body. 8. Which statement is correct based on the cell theory? A. Cells of all living organisms have a nucleus. B. All living organisms are made of cells and cell products. C. The cell is the basic structural unit of only some organisms. D. All cells have a similar structure. Answer. B. All living organisms are made of cells and cell products. 9. Which is the longest cell in the human body? A. Hepatocytes. B. Neurons. C. Nephrons. D. Muscle cells. Answer. B. Neurons. 10. Prokaryotic cells do not have A. Ribosomes. B. Cell membrane. C. Membrane-bound organelles. D. DNA. Answer. C. Membrane-bound organelles. 11. In prokaryotes, the genetic material is A. Located in a membrane-bound nucleus. B. Absent. C. Naked, and in the cytoplasm in a region called the nucleoid. D. Attached to histone proteins. Answer. C. Naked, and in the cytoplasm in a region called the nucleoid. 12. Which of the following is a prokaryotic organism? A. Amoeba. B. Yeast. C. Cyanobacteria. D. Mushroom. Answer. C. Cyanobacteria. 13. The prokaryotic ribosome is known as the A. 80S ribosome. B. 70S ribosome. C. 60S ribosome. D. 50S ribosome. Answer. B. 70S ribosome. 14. In prokaryotic cells, ribosomes are responsible for A. Protein synthesis. B. Protein degradation. C. Storing genetic information. D. Lipid synthesis. Answer. A. Protein synthesis. 15. What is the function of inclusion bodies in prokaryotic cells? A. Storing reserve material without being bounded by any membrane. B. Catalyzing protein synthesis. C. Storing gas for buoyancy. D. Synthesizing the cell wall. Answer. A. Storing reserve material without being bounded by any membrane. 16. Which of the following statements about ribosomes is correct? A. Ribosomes are only found in eukaryotic cells. B. Ribosomes are membrane-bound organelles. C. Ribosomes are involved in translation, protein synthesis. D. The S in 70S and 80S refers to the size of the ribosome. Answer. C. Ribosomes are involved in translation, protein synthesis. 17. Which of the following is an example of an inclusion body found in prokaryotic cells? A. Lysosome. B. Mitochondrion. C. Gas vacuole. D. Golgi apparatus. Answer. C. Gas vacuole. 18. The structure that is a chain of ribosomes attached to a single mRNA molecule is called a polypeptide. B. Polysome or polyribosome. C. Ribozyme. D. Proteasome. Answer. B. Polysome or polyribosome. 19. Which of the following is a key difference between a prokaryotic and a eukaryotic cell? A. Prokaryotic cells have membrane-bound organelles, while eukaryotic cells do not. B. Only eukaryotic cells contain a cell membrane. C. Eukaryotic cells have a well-defined nucleus, while prokaryotic cells do not. D. Prokaryotic cells are generally larger than eukaryotic cells. Answer. C. Eukaryotic cells have a well-defined nucleus, while prokaryotic cells do not. 20. A major site for the synthesis of lipids is A. Rough endoplasmic reticulum, RER. B. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum, SER. C. Symplast. D. Nucleoplasm. Answer. B. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum, SER. 21. Where is ribosomal RNA, rRNA, actively synthesized in a eukaryotic cell? A. Lysosomes. B. Nucleolus. C. Nucleoplasm. D. Ribosomes. Answer. B. Nucleolus. 22. Which of the following is an example of a eukaryotic organism? A. Salmonella. B. Green algae. C. Agaricus, a type of mushroom. D. Bacteriophage. Answer. B. Green algae. 23. Which of the following is not a membrane-bound organelle? A. Lysosome. B. Golgi apparatus. C. Nucleus. D. Ribosome. Answer. D. Ribosome. 24. All of the following are features of eukaryotic cells except A. A cell wall made of peptidoglycan. B. A membrane-bound nucleus. C. Membrane-bound organelles like mitochondria. D. Genetic material in the form of chromosomes. Answer. A. A cell wall. 25. The main structural component of the cell membrane is A. Polysaccharides. B. Proteins. C. Phospholipids. D. Cholesterol. Answer. C. Phospholipids. 26. The cell membrane is called the gatekeeper because it A. Stores genetic information. B. Controls the movement of substances in and out of the cell. C. Synthesizes proteins. D. Breaks down waste materials. Answer. B. Controls the movement of substances in and out of the cell. 27. The function of the cell membrane is primarily determined by A. Cholesterol molecules. B. Protein molecules. C. Phospholipid bilayer. D. Sugar molecules. Answer. B. Protein molecules. 28. Which of the following is not a function of the cell membrane? A. Active transport. B. Regulating cell growth. C. Providing structural support to the cell. D. Facilitating cell signaling. Answer. C. Providing structural support to the cell. This is a function of the cell wall in plant cells. 29. The cell membrane is selectively permeable, meaning it A. Allows all substances to pass through freely. B. Allows some substances to pass through while blocking others. C. Allows only water to pass through. D. Blocks all substances from passing through. Answer. B. Allows some substances to pass through while blocking others. 30. What is the middle lamella of plant cells primarily composed of? A. Hemicellulose. B. Phosphoglycerides. C. Calcium pectate. D. Muramic acid. Answer. C. Calcium pectate. 31. Which of the following is not a part of the endomembrane system? A. Endoplasmic reticulum, ER. B. Golgi apparatus. C. Lysosomes. D. Peroxisomes. Answer. D. Peroxisomes. 32. The primary function of the Golgi apparatus is to A. Synthesize proteins. B. Package and modify proteins and lipids. C. Break down macromolecules. D. Generate ATP. Answer. B. Package and modify proteins and lipids. 33. Vesicles containing materials from the endoplasmic reticulum fuse with the Golgi apparatus at which phase? A. Trans phase. B. Siamese phase. C. Both Siamese and trans phases. D. Neither phase. Answer. B. Siamese phase. 34. What is the function of lysosomes? A. Protein synthesis. B. Energy production. C. Digestion and breakdown of cellular waste. D. Transport of vesicles. Answer. C. Digestion and breakdown of cellular waste. 35. The endomembrane system is involved in the synthesis and transport of A. DNA and RNA. B. Proteins and lipids. C. Carbohydrates and fatty acids. D. Cytoskeletal proteins. Answer. B. Proteins and lipids. 36. Which of the following is the function of mitochondria? A. Photosynthesis. B. Protein synthesis. C. Cellular respiration. D. Waste disposal. Answer. C. Cellular respiration. 37. What is the primary role of mitochondria in a eukaryotic cell? A. To store genetic material. B. To produce ATP, energy currency. C. To package and transport proteins. D. To break down waste products. Answer. B. To produce ATP, energy currency. 38. The inner mitochondrial membrane is folded into structures called A. Grana. B. Stroma. C. Cristae. D. Thylakoids. Answer. C. Cristae. 39. Mitochondria are referred to as semi-autonomous organelles because they contain their own A. DNA in ribosomes. B. Enzymes and proteins. C. Outer and inner membranes. D. ATP and ADP. Answer. A. DNA in ribosomes. 40. Plastids are found in A. Animal cells only. B. Plant cells and algae. C. Prokaryotic cells only. D. Both animal and plant cells. Answer. B. Plant cells and algae. 41. Which of the following is a function of a leucoplast, a type of plastid? A. Capturing light energy. B. Storing food reserves like starch and oils. C. Pigment production for flower color. D. Transporting substances within the cell. Answer. B. Storing food reserves like starch and oils. 42. The incorrect statement regarding cilia and flagella is A. Cilia are relatively small and hair-like. B. Flagella are longer and whip-like. C. The number of cilia on a cell is much greater than the number of flagella. D. Cilia are responsible for the backward movement of cells. Answer. D. Cilia are responsible for the backward movement of cells. 43. Which statement is correct regarding eukaryotic cilia and flagella? A. They are prokaryotic organelles. B. They are completely different in structure from prokaryotic flagella. C. They are covered by a plasma membrane. D. Both B and C are correct. Answer. D. Both B and C are correct. 44. The core of a cilium or flagellum, also known as the axoneme, has the following arrangement of microtubules. A. Single central microtubule surrounded by 9 doublet microtubules. B. 2 single microtubules in the center, surrounded by 9 doublet microtubules. C. 9 single microtubules in the center, surrounded by 9 doublet microtubules. D. 1 central microtubule surrounded by 9 single microtubules. Answer. B. 2 single microtubules in the center, surrounded by 9 doublet microtubules. 45. Which of the following is true about the centrosome? A. It is a membranous organelle. B. It is found in both prokaryotic and eukaryotic cells. C. It is a major source of spindle fibers during cell division in animal cells. D. It is responsible for photosynthesis. Answer. C. It is a major source of spindle fibers during cell division in animal cells. 46. The centrosome is primarily made up of which protein? A. Actin. B. Tubulin. C. Myosin. D. Keratin. Answer. B. Tubulin. 47. The nucleus is often called the information center of the cell because it contains A. Mitochondria. B. Lysosomes. C. Genetic material, DNA. D. Golgi apparatus. Answer. C. Genetic material, DNA. 48. Which part of the eukaryotic cell is actively involved in the synthesis of ribosomal RNA, rRNA? A. Nucleoplasm. B. Nucleolus. C. Ribosomes. D. Lysosomes. Answer. B. Nucleolus. 49. Which of the following is not a correct statement regarding the nucleus of a eukaryotic cell? A. It houses the cell's genetic material. B. It is enclosed by a nuclear membrane. C. It is the site of protein synthesis. D. It contains a nucleolus. Answer. C. It is the site of protein synthesis. 50. Which of the following is a correct statement about eukaryotic microbodies? A. They are found in both prokaryotic and eukaryotic cells. B. They are involved in various oxidative processes. C. They lack a membrane-bound structure. D. Their primary function is to synthesize ATP. Answer. B. They are involved in various oxidative processes. Thank you. And please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel.